we were in Phoenix and we decided to come to the Phoenix Zoo to ride some camels, pet some stingrays, and nature journal. So, let's go see what we can find. And there's rhinos, my favorite animal. Let's go. The Phoenix Zoo opened in 1962, and it is now the largest privately owned zoo in the United States. The zoo is approximately 125 acres. Now that's a big zoo. Because it's such a big zoo, that obviously means there are a lot of animals they have to take care of. The zoo has over 3,000 animals. That's a lot of animals. There are plenty of things to nature journal, from rhinos to stingrays to birds and reptiles. There is an animal for everyone. All the animals and everything in the exhibits here at the zoo, but it can be a little intimidating. So here are 3 things that you can sketch that are animals. 1, the weather. Now, the weather in Arizona, it's undescribable. It's mostly hot here. Right now it's like 100 and the high today is like 115 or something, so you can sketch the weather. It's just hot. Second thing that you can sketch is landscapes. Now this zoo has a really good landscape view. Oh look, it's coming! Oh my goodness. Look, there's 2 of them. Hey, what can I say? Animals love me. So the zoo has it's running again. Okay, so the zoo has a really good landscape view. I mean, look at this. You've got, the zoo is 125 acres, so there's a lot of cool landscapes hidden in between exhibits. The last but not least thing is plants. Plants are everywhere. When you go to a zoo, there is always a really good collection of plants native to the state that you're in, and also plants that go with the animals. So those are 3 things to nature journal besides animals. Here's a quick tip for sketching animals because they tend to move around a lot. Draw them in each position that they move, so when they move back to that one position, you can finish off that drawing you already started. Plus, you'll get a really cool page full of unfinished sketches. Like I've finished a lot of pages. See, so the giraffe moved its position and then it went back to that position, so I was able to finish this drawing a lot more. Yeah, and he goes. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with anybody that likes the nature journal or likes zoos. Write down in the comments below your favorite animal we saw today. So I hope to see you soon in the next video. Happy journaling. Bye. Tortoise, or they're sleeping. So how to sketch them when they're moving is, I forgot. So, I'm trying, so, things that you can nature journal at a zoo.